How to sign up in Costco. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome to our channel, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Costco. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer, and on the search URL simply type in costco.com. Press enter on your keyboard. That will take you to the official web page of Costco. Now, to create an account, head over to the right hand side of this interface. There at the top, you will find a sign in or register button. Click on that. You will be taken to sign in prompt. Since we don't have an account, we will be creating a new account. So click on create account button again. Now, to get started, first of all, you have to enter your email address that you would like to use to create a Costco account. Enter your correct email address and under that, create a password. Make sure you create a strong password and make sure you remember that password next time you try to log into Costco account. Go ahead and create a password. And before creating your password, make sure you complete all these criteria. Use between 8 and 16 characters, should be at least one lowercase and one uppercase. You should not include special characters and include at least one digit. So with that on your mind, create a password. After you do that, again confirm your password. Make sure you enter the same password that you have created before. And after that, scroll down a bit. You can enter your membership number if you have, but that's optional, so you can skip that and go ahead and click on create account. After you do that, you will be successfully creating a Costco account and you will have your new account. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.